Hi guys, this is 3D Shamrock channel and my name is Florin. Today I'm going to show you two new projects of mine. Recently I purchased a lot of Arduino parts and other electronic components, which are tiny boards and small parts, and I need a solution to store them in an organized way. I found on the internet a lot of storage boxes and cabinets with small drawers for such little components. But looking at the prices, I realized that it's cheaper for me, that it's more convenient for me to print it myself and to exercise further my Fusion 360 skills and my 3D printing experience. I start designing first the small box holder, the bottom part of the small box holder. I drawn a sketch which is an outline of the storage box's profiles. I extruded that and I'll use these shapes when I'll design the small boxes and the big one. I added some fillets and chamfers, and then I designed the overall volume of the bottom storage holder. Then I subtracted the small boxes from the big volume, and I have the profile of the holder. I further refined the design, taking out as much material as I could. I added the handle, and finally I designed the hinge which will link the holder base with its cover. Next, I designed the container holder cover. It was very easy. I removed further material from the holder base. That's it. Then I modeled the small containers. I began with the sketch. The dimensions are 0.4 millimeters smaller than the holes in the holder. I designed the volume for the whole box. Then I split this volume with the plane for the cover and the box itself. Then I further refined the design. This is the big box. The design was very simple. I modified in the previous design only the length in that sketch. And this is the result. And this is the last part for this assembly. It is a handle holder which avoids that the cover opens accidentally. I assembled the hinges with metric 3 bolts and nuts. Sorry, I didn't have smaller bolts here. The next project, it's about an object which I use every day. It's a small box for my earphones. Each time when I use Fusion 360, I try to learn something new. I designed this earphones box using assembly design. I started with the box itself, with a sketch dimensioned after measuring the headphone wire wrapped up. Then I extruded the sketch, added a chamfer, making the box hollow. Then I start designing the cover. I added an extrusion for the cover. I further refined the design, and I added the snap feature which will hold the box and cover together. The gap between the snap features in the cover and the box have a 0.3 millimeter gap. And that's it. A simple design. This is the cover and the box. If you like the videos and the objects I designed, please like, share and subscribe. Also, I would be grateful if you would support me on Patreon. You have my Patreon link in the description. Thank you. See you on the next video.